Well, just have to turn down Younger Road. I see the ELS track repair crew sitting up here. Train sitting out on the main line. Well, a bunch of cars are anyway on the main line next to 141 here by Styles. And this is the ELS spur. Let's, I guess we'll take a ride through and see what's going on. Hopefully not another derailment. I've been having enough of those lately. See a bunch of vehicles, but I don't see anyone around. Just doing a little track maintenance here. On train. Kind of odd. Here we are back up by 141. See, if you look over here, you can see box cars sitting. Oh, cord's too short. Hang on. If you look back there, you can see train cars sitting. Usually these box cars, and I think there were some grainers at the front. A lot of times they'll put those on that O'Connell Falls spur, and these will go to the falls. And you can see all the train carts up here. Grainers. But there's no power around. It makes me wonder what happened. I didn't see any down that line. But maybe it's just maintenance. Well, here we are in O'Connell Falls now. Look and see if the train even made it here, or maybe it just dropped its freight there on the main line and continued north. I don't know. It's kind of an odd thing though. There's the tracks. Moved out of the feed mill. We'll go check a couple other spots real quick. We'll be back. Alright, we'll check back here, back behind the warehouse. Sometimes we bring box cars over here and the engine's sitting with the box cars. I see some box cars off to the left. Busy. Usually I come back here on the weekends, not or after business close. Later in the day, but well, see they got even more grainers parked back here. That's a little different. What the heck is going on? And there's the box cars from there. Just grainers. Some machinery down there. Alright, here we are back to 141 and 22. We're just going to go down this road and see if maybe the park power up over this way. See it when I was looking down the tracks, but I'm not having good luck finding trains lately. I hear them, but I'm sleeping today. I'm sick of the flu for the last few days, so my wife said she heard it go through about an hour and a half. I'm like, yeah, if they're doing any changes up there in style, switching tracks or whatever, they'll be there. Yeah, run and grab something to drink anyway. Found some other stuff, but no power. So all the stored cars on the sidings. I see no engine anywhere. Kind of makes me wonder what's going on. Maybe they just dropped the train, took power, and headed north. Well, I guess with that being said, thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. I'll catch you next time. Hopefully we get a train next time. 0 for 3 on these last 3. Have a good day, everyone. Alright, so later today, we're down here for a chiropractor appointment. What did we find? 501. Pushing a long line of cars back this way. They just grabbed this one off their siding. Hooking her up right now. We'll have to see. Not a failed day overall. Here he comes. Oh. They got all these cars parked on the old tracks, not the tracks going into the CN yard. Well, they only got the one cart again. Must be having an issue getting it hooked up. Tell you one thing, it sure causes a havoc on the traffic with this roundabout right here. Let's see if they're gonna head north or if they're gonna park it here for the night. I see they got all the lights on yet, so setting the brakes. Yeah. Parking that one too. Switch there. Now they'll be getting on the tracks to go into the rail yard. Or are they going to get some other cars? Now you might have to hang out and put the Fred inside. Alright, so we just got home a little while ago. Adjusted. There we go. I was chilling on the couch and pretty sure I heard a train horn. Well, let's go check it out. Who knows? I might be late. I know last time you saw it when we were down there by Lineville in Green Bay, 501, I disconnected the train cars. is power only heading north. So, might be what that was. Might have heard just the engine come through. Didn't see nothing. We'll have to get down to the track so you can take a look. I'm gonna guess he probably already scooted through town. Doesn't take long when it's just an engine. Flip that visor up now. Let's just see here. Oh, what do you know? 501, just the power. He's scooting through. He's not taking much time. Maybe we can catch him at E. I don't know. Hang on. Oh man, that sun is bright. I see the crossing lights going up here at E. I do not see a train yet, or an engine for that fact. Oh, I hear the horn though. Oh, there it is. Power only. We're gonna go up and see if we can get a closer look at him. Oh, maybe we'll run this back up to Stiles and see if they connect to that train up there. Oh, look at that. Lights are off. What? There's just an engine going through. Oh, that's why. No, I'm just kidding. There they are. Oh boy. Zoomed in handy here. I can hear the bell. I was able to get ahead of them. And you can see that. You can see the light coming there. We are at Timberline Road between Abrams and Stiles. Pretty close to Stiles, actually. And just south, I guess, this is like Stiles. Just south of Stiles Junction. They are a little ways back yet. So we'll just kind of hang out here. Wait. I was thinking about maybe running up, try and catch them crossing the Locomotive River there. Might be kind of a cool shot. Just wanted to make. Oh yeah, they must be East Stiles Tower Road. See the lights flashing. I don't hear the horn though. Let's see. I don't know how you can hear it. I think maybe we'll wait for him to get a little closer, get a close-up view, and then we'll try and catch him crossing the river. And they're finally getting closer. Let's see here. I can hear the engine now. They are moving slow tonight. Like, slower than normal, especially for being just power. But they are moving. Been standing over here for probably about 5 minutes. I probably could have jumped off on the East Stiles Tower Road and caught him there, but I wasn't sure. Being when I caught him at E, I had to run the highway south about 1.5 miles, get off, cross the highway, get back on so I could come north on 141. So I wasn't sure if I'd catch them by East Styles Tower Road, but they are just slow going. I wonder if they're gonna park here for the night like they did a while ago. Oops, sorry about that. Or if they're gonna go park up by the rest of the train farther north on 141. Must be some bad sections of track, because now they're picking up a little speed again. Try and catch them crossing it. I just kind of thought this would be a cool place to get a vid from. Alright. Look at that. Alright, if you guys enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below. I'm out of breath. I gotta go home. Alright, have a good night, guys.